Hi, this is the Redmi Note 12S and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first open the Play Store application and in the search we'll enter the Ampere. So now we should get this application, that's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. So after that just tap to open the app. Click yes I agree, pick close, tap to OK on the left down corner, and now we could see information about battery temperature, and in my case that's 36 and 8 degrees. And also we got here more information like the battery level, health, capacity, voltage, Android version, and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.